Here's how to find the password to your Gmail account if you've forgotten it. So let's get started. So this method may or may not work for you, but it's worth a try. So the first step is open the browser on your Android phone and then search for passwords.google.com. Search for this, and this will take us to the Google Password Manager. Then just scroll down, and if you see this option, google.com, then most likely your password is over here. So click on it. And just like this, you'll see your email ID over here and the password below it. And if you want to see your password, just click on the eye icon and then you can see your password. But if you don't see google.com written over here, you can try with other Google accounts which you're signed in with, because there's a chance the password may be saved in that account. To do this, just click on the Google icon on the top right. And from here, you can switch the account and check over there. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.